Hey beauty queens, welcome back. So this is a Beauty by Day and DolaHairMall collab. For my loyal YouTube subscribers, you guys know that I have a good relationship with my friends at Dola Hair Mall, and this is another one of their wigs. This one is a 22-inch body wave HD closure wig. It comes with this piano adjustable strap, which I think it is the bomb. It has 3 levels where you can place the actual hook inside, and then the strap itself is adjustable. It's lightweight and very easy to adjust. So we're going to get right into it. I've already cut the lace off. We're not going to be gluing this down. It is a glueless unit, so you do not have to worry about that. She does like a lot of baby hair, so we're going to do some baby hair. But other than that, we're not going to be using any type of lace glue to hold this down. This is a very quick and easy look. You can just throw the wig on and take it off. After you mold it the first time, you won't have to keep on doing that. It is a closure, so you don't have to worry about laying it down, and it still looks really, really natural. So after it has dried and the baby hairs are in place, I'm going to go back in with my comb and comb them out, because it's still going to have the baby hair lay the same way that they're laying. The free spray, all it does is it gets them in place, and you're able to take it off after, and it's not stuck to your forehead. I want to show you guys how this is glueless, so I'm going to put the comb underneath the lace so you can see that there's absolutely nothing holding down the lace. This is our final look. I gave her some wand curls, and it looks the bomb. You can't tell me that this is a closure. You cannot tell it's a closure. It looks just like a frontal, and it can come off. It is not glued down. So follow me on Instagram. Follow Dola Hair Mall on Instagram as well, and I will see you guys next time.